Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Edwards County in southeast Illinois, Wabash County in southeast Illinois, Wayne County in south central Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northeast of Calhoun to 9 miles southwest of House, moving east-southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warned area include Fairfield, Albion, Mount Carmel, Disney, Wayne City, West Salem, Lancaster, Johnsonville, Mount Erie, Jeffersonville, Keens, Allendale, Odath, Golden Gate, Browns, Belmont, and Keensburg. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards and Wabash.